Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure expense reports with Expensify, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Expensify website. Log into your Expensify account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the dashboard. Click on the Settings option, usually found in the upper right corner. In the Settings menu, find and select Policies. Choose the policy you wish to configure expense reports for. Click on the Edit button next to the selected policy. Scroll down to the Expense Rules section within the policy settings. Here, you can set rules for various expense types, such as mileage or meals. To add a new rule, click on the Add Rule button. Specify the rule type and details as prompted. Set limits for each expense category if necessary. Next, configure receipt requirements according to your company's preferences. Decide if receipts are required for every expense or only for specific amounts. After completing the expense rules, look for the Report Settings section. Select how expense reports should be submitted, either manually or automatically. Review the settings for approval workflows. You can specify who will review and approve each report. If you wish to set up notifications, choose the appropriate options in the Notifications section. Return to your dashboard to confirm that your configurations are applied. To test your configurations, create a sample expense report. Submit the report according to the settings you've adjusted. Check that the report follows the new rules and reaches the correct approvers. Finally, make any additional adjustments if necessary based on the test report feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.